presiding officer signs it in front of the polling agents. Those forms are then tabulated and created into one Form 47. Have a look at the PDF document, the graph please. Open up the graph, ladies. Please start scrolling through them. Have a look at all these NAs. That's 47, 48, 49, Attak 50, Rawalpindi 53, Taxila 54, Rawalpindi 55, Rawalpindi 56, Rawalpindi 57, Chakwal 58, Jhelum 60, Gujarat 64, Sialkot NA 71, Togatek Singh NA 106, Lahore National Assembly 126, Lahore National Assembly 128, Pakpatan National Assembly 139, Multan National Assembly 148. आगे जाते जाइए जी. This is just an example of the horrific sheer scale of rigging and voter manipulation that took place once the votes had been cast. There are dozens of examples of our polling agents being thrown out of polling stations. They were not signing